What's up, guys? This is Fabio here. It has been a week since Google announced a few new devices at the Google event. They announced a fully wireless headphones called Google Pixel Buds, which are actually pretty cool. They announced also a few home devices, the Nest Smart Speaker and the Nest Home Router, and they announced also a new laptop, which is called Pixel Book Go. But everybody was expecting the new Google Pixel. So they announced also the new flagship phones. So they announced two phones, Google Pixel 4 and Google Pixel 4 XL. And they come in three different colors as well, black, white, or so orange. I actually received mine this morning and this is what I got. I was not expecting it at all. The phone comes inside a cereal box, which is pretty cool. I think this idea is super cool. The box itself is really colorful, it's really nice, and kudos to Google for their creativity. I think now it's time to unbox it. So this is the special package that Google sent me for the Pixel 4. It's really nice. I like the creativity of Google in the packaging for the Google Pixel 4. And in the front you get these nice logos, Google Pixel 4, free inside, unlimited online storage with Google Photos, brilliant cameras into space, quick gestures, Google Assistant on the front. There are some nutrition facts on the sides, which are looking pretty cool. So it's basically the specs of the phone. Memory 6 GB, rear camera 60 megapixel, front camera, display, and so on. This is the back, and there is like a kind of a game here in the back. Hashtag Team Pixel, and on the side there is a QR scan code. So let's open it. Here we go. So I guess I can get this out. And this is the actual phone, I guess. I hope. So there are two compartments. Let me open the first one. It's actually not easy. Oh, there are actually some cereals inside. That's really nice. It's actually super nice. So this is a small thank you from Google Store. Nice. So a little thank you from Google. So there are some actual cereals here. So as you can see, they are pretty colorful as well. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to eat them. Probably I'll just keep them. And this is the phone. Let me get it. Cool. Let's move this on the side. So this is the Google Pixel 4. The packaging looks pretty simple. It's a white background with a phone on the front and on the side. Google logos. And on the bottom there are some informations. So let me open this. And here we go. Wow, that color looks really nice. It's the first thing I can see. So yeah, pretty nice. It feels really good. So let's move it on the side for now. So let's see what's inside the box for now. So some paperwork. This is the SIM card removal tool. Some other paperwork, really nice. Let me put them back. Cool. There is a cable, a charge cable, and this is USB-C to USB-C. Really nice. This is an adapter. I think it's a USB-A to USB-C. Really nice. And this little package, I guess, is the power brick. and this is a USB-C power brick, and this is a 18-watt fast charger as well, like Apple does. Pretty nice. So let's move all this stuff on the side, and let's have a look at the phone. Let's open it. Wow, okay, the phone looks really good, I should say. Really nice. So the first thing I can notice is this wonderful color, I would say. The phone looks and feels quite solid. It's really light as well. It's lighter than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And yeah, in terms of materials, we get this aluminum, this matte black aluminum frame on the side, and this matte Gorilla Glass on the back, which is orange, and this Gorilla Glass on the front as well. And yeah, on the side we get the SIM card tray, and the other side there is the power button and the volume up and down. Plus on the top we get this microphone, and on the bottom we get a USB-C and one speaker and one microphone. So pretty nice. So on the back I can see the dual camera system. One is the wide lens and the other one is the telephoto. And the camera bump looks actually okay. I was expecting bigger for some reason, which is pretty cool. And in terms of specs, this comes with a Snapdragon 855, 6GB of RAM, and an Adreno 640 GPU. Specs which are in line with the high-end phones, even though I was expecting a Snapdragon 855 Plus at this price tag. But I mean, it really depends from the software and how optimized is that software. And you can either choose between 64GB or 128GB of storage. So I'll set it up and I'll give you my first impressions. Let's switch it on. I just finished the setup here and it looks really, really nice. There are three main features that I'm really excited about. The first one, I actually can see it already. It's that beautiful display 90 Hz. It's battery smooth. This is a 6.3 inch, especially coming from an iPhone where this feature is missing still. It has a huge impact. And I think it could be the main selling point of this phone actually. The second thing is the motion sense, which is based on a radar sensor. Basically, the phone now will anticipate whenever you will go closer to it, and it will start activating all the other sensors, like the face unlock, making it the faster face unlock in a phone. So I'm super excited about that. The third point will be the camera. The Pixel has always had the reputation of being the best camera on a phone. In this case, there are two cameras, one wide lens and one telephoto lens, not three like I was expecting this year. And yeah, I'll cover that in the review. So talking about prices, the Pixel 4 starts at £669 for the model with 64GB and £769 for the model with 128GB. And the Pixel 4 XL starts at $829 for the model with 64GB and $929 for the model with 128GB. So this was the unboxing for the Google Pixel 4 XL, and I want to know from you, are you thinking to buy it? Which model do you think is the best? Let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.